To enable notification pads for appliance beeping alert in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration and patch filter is on. Next, tap notification categories. Under appliances and other section, tap appliance beeping. While the alert for appliance beeping sound notification is set to alert, tap the gray on off switch next to app icon patches to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. By doing this, when sound notification feature is on and it detects an appliance beeping near you, your phone will show notification patch on the sound notification app icon. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.